Hi, in this video, we'll learn about bar charts. And for this, I will create a copy of this sheet. I will erase our column charts and I will start creating a bar chart. For this sample, I will use Jan month and product A, B, and C. So I will hold Ctrl on the keyboard, select month, Jan, and all the columns from product A to product C. I'm going to insert, and on the same icon we have the third row where we can find our clustered bar chart. Click on it. You see it's already here, and now we can play with the chart. I will name it Jan product sales. I can also change again the color just to make it more lighter, and I will again right click on the bar and add labels. You see now it's simply to read on horizontal when you have many categories, and especially when your labels are long. See, so when you want to display data in a more compact horizontal space, I recommend you to use bar chart. So this layout makes it easy to compare product performance, because here it's very simple to see the maximum value when you compare exactly the product and not the period. So we compare product C with B and A instead of Jan with Feb with March, because it's easier to see on this horizontal chart the value of the product when you don't have the timeline, because the timeline, in fact, it's only 1 month, so we don't need timelines.